Tonight, ER Rewinds. Hi, I'm Sakina. The last big dancehall feud, the Gully God versus the Unruly Boss, plus specials, instant cash. But first, George Nooks plagued by run-ins with the cops over drugs. But a judge standing by the singer this week, dismissing cocaine charges against him.
Now that it's over, I'm on my trying ways again.
George Nooks a happy man after a judge dismissed a 2-year charge for cocaine possession. The judge made mention of several inconsistencies in the prosecution's case, according to Nooks' lawyer, Tom Tavares Vinson. The tribal war and goddess standing by singer had been free on bail since his 2017 drug bust, only to be nabbed again by cops in April. 56-year-old Nooks wasn't charged over the second bust. George Nooks, you have reason to be happy today. Tell us why.
Well, just came from court and I was free. I'm a free man, so to speak, you know. The case was thrown out and to God be the glory. It's been holding me quite some time now. It's what? I think it's 2 years.
Don't bother worry, don't bother fret. I'm on top of my game.
Nooks initially dropped from performance lineups, but not for long.
To me, it didn't really affect it. I don't know, in my surroundings and the stage shows and songs I was doing to people and the reaction I was getting, it didn't hurt. I was looking at it as a hurt, you know. I mean, as a matter of fact, to me, it probably bring me more forward to people. In other words, a little bit more popular, I think.
Were you embarrassed?
Yes, I was.
Perhaps the biggest fallout from the cocaine possession charge, not being able to work in the US.
We're ready. I am ready.
The fact that this charge was hanging over your head, is that going to have an impact, you think, on whether you get back your work permit to go to the States?
I really don't think so. I'm vindicated. I've seen how they deal with people and I'm not a risk, so to speak, you know. I'm doing my thing and this is what when I traveled, I'll do. I'll go over there and do my work that I'm expected to do and such forth. So I don't see where that should be a problem, you know.
I cannot bear.
Were there any run-ins with the police after that in terms of a similar kind of situation?
Yeah, well, yes, but there was nothing and they didn't charge me and I wasn't being, what was I saying now? I wasn't in charge, so, and it's nothing, so I'll rather leave that alone, you know. I'm a human being, so I would think that people wanna let their mind run wild or think different things, but it is what it is, and there was nothing, as I said, and I'm good.
Do you think you're being set up here?
Yes, I was. I know I was. Not think. I'm not thinking. I know I was. I know I was. You know, and as the judge told me today, I just got to keep my eyes open, you know.
Despite not being able to go to the States and, you know, you've been off that circuit for a while, obviously things are still chugging along. You're doing well with driving this. You're driving this incredibly nice car. It's, you know, this car costs a pretty penny. Things aren't totally bad for George Nooks.
Well, I've saved, you know. Let's put it that way. I've saved. I'm not a squanderer.
But you work hard and you like to enjoy the fruits of your hard work.
Most definitely, because I look at it, you're here today and you're gone tomorrow, you know. I mean, no one know the time or when. Enjoy yourself, you know, enjoy yourself.
And right now, George Nooks reaching out to
people have faith, you know, people who cherish and worship God, to just don't throw your brothers out of the car if he's bleeding. If you can't forgive your brother on earth, there's no place for you in heaven.
And people didn't throw you under the bus.
Most people didn't, and thanks be to God. I still have my voice, and
now you have your range.
I like your style. I like your style, you know. So, you know, God is good and God is good all the time. To God be the glory, you know.